Hey bosses, it's Nina, and I want to show you how to sign up for WebinarJam for only $1. Now, it's a 60-day trial that lets you get in there, test it out, and really figure out if it's right for you. I'm going to leave the link below, but watch this video as I show you step by step, not only how to sign up for $1, but actually how to set up your account. And you can let me know if WebinarJam is right for you. Okay, so the trick is to go to sociallynina.com/webinarjam1. I actually have a special coupon that allows you to jump in and try it for 60 days for only $1. See? I was telling you the truth. Okay, so what you're going to do, let me go ahead and expand this for you, is click on Start Your Trial. For those of you that are new to WebinarJam, this is one of my favorite webinar apps because it does everything for you all in one. In addition, everything that you set up, you can duplicate. It automatically sends out the emails. And when you work it out over a year, it's actually cheaper than some of the other competitors. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and fill in my information. Keep in mind that you can use PayPal to check out, which I love. So you don't have to actually use a credit card. Okay, you paid $1 to set up your subscription. We're all set. So I'm going to actually click the link if it doesn't actually redirect me. And it looks like it's going to go ahead and do that now. All right. Now, if you need more than 3, and let me just check at the bottom. Yep. So if you need more than 3 presenters, you can go ahead and upgrade to these other items, but I only need myself and maybe possibly another one person, but it will take you through a couple of these items that you can kind of upload or, upgrade to. And one of the things that you can upgrade to is called EverWebinar. So that allows you to host your webinars on WebinarJam, and people can actually log in and schedule a time anytime to replay or rewatch your webinars. So I don't need that right now. So I'm actually going to scroll all the way to the bottom. And as you know, it's usually a tiny link. It's all the way at the bottom. I'm going to select no thanks. And now it looks like we're all in WebinarJam. So it's going to take us through all of the steps, and that's actually what we're going to go through today. Okay, so one of the first things you're going to want to do is check your email. In your email, you're going to get your receipt and all of that information. The most important thing that you're going to want to save is your welcome email message. It actually gives you all of your information on what you received and all of that. The few things that you're going to receive is, of course, access to WebinarJam. You also get a training package that you can go through, and it actually teaches you step by step. So you're going to get the email and your credentials are in there. Join their Facebook group. There's a lot of information in there. You can go in there and ask questions. And then here is where you actually get support as well. And then you also get webinars. So what you can do here, though, is you'll want to download your bonus packages that come with it. So I'm going to go ahead and download those. And it's a bunch of items here. Okay, so they're downloaded. I'm going to go ahead and just click on Show in Folder. Now, we're not going to go through these, but it talks about your checkout process, how to get people on your webinar, different secrets. These are all just different tools that you receive only for the $1. So you're not paying any extra or additional for that, but those are all resources that you get. Let's go ahead and jump into actually setting up your WebinarJam now. Okay, so you're going to receive your 4 emails, right? And you're going to receive a lot of information coming in. So I just wanted to point out that the one you're going to look for is the one that actually says your account details. So as you log in here, you just click on the login and make note of your username and your password. Okay, remember in the beginning I told you can do EverWebinar or WebinarJam. So I'm going to go ahead and access WebinarJam. Agree to all the terms. One thing that I love is throughout this, you'll have different details and videos that help you with setting up your account and setting up your webinar. I actually have a totally separate YouTube video on how to set up webinars. If you're interested in that, I'll leave the details below, but I actually go through these step by step and how to set these up, okay? Notice that you can also get training videos or someone else will set that up for you. But as far as signing up for your $1, this is actually all of the steps that you need. You're all set. You have all the bonuses. You've downloaded everything and you've signed in. Our next video is going to be on how to actually set up a webinar. Take a look at that next.